video, we will show how to read Excel files into R to create a data frame. So when we want to create data frame, the best way maybe to read an Excel file is to export it to a comma-delimited file, a CSV file first. Then you can use, for example, read.csv or read.table function to read this CSV file to create as a data frame. Alternatively, you can also import Excel worksheets directly using a package called readxl package. And the readxl package can be used to read both .xls, the old Excel file, and .xlsx versions of Excel files. And the function used is read_Excel function. And the result is a tibble, which is a data frame type, new type of data frame. They also can also set which sheet in Excel file to read from. So for example, first we define a character with the information for the location where file stores in the cars.xls function. Then can use readxlsx function with this location and with the sheet number. Next, we will show the code in source files in RStudio. You can also download old source files for this playlist from this GitHub link. So first we load the library readxl. So you have to install it first. Install this library if you have not done yet. Next, create the location for the files cars.xlsx. And this is the Excel file. We have two sheets. The first sheet has a name. The second sheet is default to sheet 2. So can use readxlsx workbook, (1) to read the first sheet into R and to create the data frame called my data frame 1. So we show my data frame 1 is a data frame, or say a table with 32 observations and with 6 columns, 6 variables. You can also read the second sheet from this Excel file. It's also a table with 32 observations of 6 variables. Alternatively, you can set the sheet names here when you're reading this file. So we set the cars. Actually, this is the first sheet. So you can get the same result of a data frame with a table, with a variable and a variable type, or a numeric with double type number stored for each column. Thanks for watching.